Hey guys, welcome to RTR Tech Talks. My name is Rohan, and in this video I am going to show you how to generate a live URL for your local WordPress site using ngrok. So, head on to your browser and type ngrok. Click on the first link in the search results. Now, head on to sign up button at the top right corner of the website. Click on sign up with Google and select the Google account. After successful sign up, click on the download for Windows button. Now, ngrok will be downloaded into your system. Extract the zip file and run the application. To connect your account with the application, you need to copy the authentication token and paste it onto the application. The authentication token will be saved in your system. Next, run the command ngrok http80 and a temporary URL will be generated by ngrok. Copy the URL and paste it onto a notepad. Now open SAMP control panel and enable Apache and MySQL. Open a new tab in your browser and search for the website that is hosted in your local server. Now search for your localhost/phpMyAdmin. Select the database that is associated with the installation and head on to WP options table. Here you can see two rows named site URL and home URL. Replace both these URLs with the URL generated by ngrok. Do note that you have to add the folder name where you have stored the WordPress website to the URL. Now open a new tab and paste the URL and press enter. You will be redirected to the website. Thank you guys. Hope you found this video useful, and I'll catch you guys in next one.